Do you want to create YouTube video thumbnails with Nano Banana but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I believe you are doing very well. In this video I will let you know how you can create YouTube video thumbnail with Nano Banana AI free of cost with few simple steps. So let's start the video. First of all, open your computer browser, then log in into your Gmail account, then open YouTube. Then select the video on the YouTube whose thumbnail you like so that we can make a thumbnail like that. After selecting the video, click on three dots, then click on share, then copy the URL of the video. Now you have to go to the Google, here we go, and then search YouTube thumbnail downloader. Click the first website in new tab, here we go. Then place the link in this box, here we go. Now download this thumbnail. We will use this thumbnail to create the new thumbnail. So save this thumbnail into your PC. Here we go. Now open Google and search Google AI Studio. Here we go. Then you will see this kind of page. Open the first website. Here we go. Then you will see this kind of page. Click on Get Started. Then you will see this kind of page. You will see Try Nano Banana option. Click on Try Nano Banana. Then click on the plus icon and upload your file, which means your thumbnail. Here we go. Now upload the second image to replace the first person in the first thumbnail with our character. Here we go. I'm selecting my person. This is the person. Here we go. Now I will write the prompt. I will simply replace first person from the first thumbnail to second person from the second thumbnail. After writing the prompt, click on run and then processing will start. You have to wait for a while. After waiting for a while, our thumbnail will be generated. Here you can see what a beautiful thumbnail Nano Banana has generated. This is how you can edit any thumbnail and create a new thumbnail by writing simple prompts into Nano Banana. So friends, this is how you can generate YouTube video thumbnail with Nano Banana AI free of cost with few simple steps. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So this was the video for today. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.